Hey guys, this is me Ammar and welcome back to our channel Ampnics. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add a manufacturing part number for any device which is available in your schematic. And adding a manufacturing part is essential for the schematics or the hardware that you are going for manufacturing. So for adding the manufacturing part number, first you have to select the device and then you have to press E. Then you have to click on this plus icon, which is add field, and instead of field 5 I will add here manufacturing part number. Okay, since this is a GST connector, so I need to find the manufacturing part number for it. So how I find the manufacturing part number? I know it is from GST. So I opened my favorite browser and I just logged into the official website of GST connectors, and I searched here the 3-pin connector which is from XH connector series, and I opened the data sheet, and from here you can find the manufacturing part number for it. So since we are using the 3-pin connector, so I will look for, all right, you can see here, so this is the manufacturing part number of it. I will copy it and I will paste it here. Okay, so this is how you can add the manufacturing part number for any device in KiCad.